If you are bad in calculation, don't worry. Microsoft Excel make it easier for you. Just you need to know how to use various numerical functions. Just with few clicks, you can calculate. Today, we are going to learn about basic numeric functions and date functions. Coming to numeric functions, let's say we want total donations from January to December. We want what is the amount of total donations we get. So there is a function, sum function, right, is equal to sum, and select the cell range and click enter. We get total donations amount. You see small dot in the corner, hold there and drag right, you copy that sum amount. Or another way to do it, let's delete it. Another way to do it, it's shortcut method. Click in that cell, alt equal, alt equal, it's automatically take that range of cell and enter. You find total. Or another way you can do it is, go to in home tab, go to editing and auto sum, it's automatically take that range, click enter. There are three ways to do it. Any way you can do it. We want minimum of donations we want to get, so there is a function called minimum, is equal to min function, select that range of cell, enter. Minimum amount of we get from donation is 3494. Maximum amount if we want to find is equal to max, select that range of cell, click ok. This is maximum amount we get from donations. Average amount we get from donations we can use also, is equal to average, select all those cells, click ok. Average amount we get from donation is 7633. Count function is another important function. If we want to know how many records are there, we can use count functions. There are count a, count blank also functions, but that's for advanced stage. But now you learn count functions, right? Is equal to count count, select that range of cell, click ok. There are 12 because our records from January to December, there are 12 records are there. Here also in same manner we want total, so we will use shortcut method, or is equal to, it's take automatically 3 records from the left, enter that functions, increase the cell width. Now we can copy down, that's the total. Now we want percentage of totals we get from in January. Percentage of total we get in January, if you want to calculate, first we have to calculate total here also, is equal to sum function, that is the total we get. How to get percentage? So that cell by total cell, so that cell by total cell. Total cell, when we write, we will write absolute reference, not relative reference, because that particular cell will change but total cell will remain the same. That's why we'll, when we write total cell, we'll make it absolute reference. So write is equal to that cell divided by total cell. How to make it absolute reference? Just put dollar sign before and in middle of that and click ok. This is the percentage value. This is approximately 6.5% of money we get in January. So copy that function down, and if we want to make it percentage, So select all these functions. You see number functions, there is a sign, percentage sign. Click there, you get approximately percentage. What is the percentage value? Let's say you want to find power of certain value, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, anything. How to do it? Right, is equal to power function. That number is 2, and 2 to the power 3 if you want to. So write 3, after that click OK. See, it's 8. Again do it, 2 to the power, let's say 4 we want to do it, is equal to power 2, click 4, you get 2 to the power 4, 16. Another number function is rounding. This is also important. If you want after decimal point how many numbers you want, 2 numbers, 3 numbers you want, you can, with the help of rounding function you can do it. Let's say there is number 0.7777. After that we want 2 decimal point, so is equal to round functions, click on that number, and we want 2 number after decimal point. So enter, you see 2 number. Because third number is greater than 5, it takes 8, 0.78 rounding. And then let's say 3 number we want to get, is equal to round function, this is the number, comma 3, you see you get 778, because fourth number is more than 5, that's why it takes 778. So this is the basic number functions in Excel. Coming to date functions, first function is today. If you want to know the dates of today, what is the date of today, right, is equal to today, there is function called today, click OK. Today is 18/11/2022. If you want date and time also, use now, click OK. What is the time I'm recording now? What is the good about these functions is, if you open this Excel worksheet or workbook tomorrow and refresh it, it will update itself. So another function is date. If you want to know what is the day from any date, you use day function, is equal to day, click, second day. Same with month, is equal to month, at ninth month. Same with year, is equal to year is 2019. Another function is date function. When you will use date function, when there is day, month and year separately, you want to combine them together, you use date function. So is equal to date, first it will take year, let's say 2019, then it will take month, ninth month, 2019, comma, then it will take ninth month, comma, then it will take day, bracket close, enter. You see it combines them together. Let's go to adding and subtracting days from a date. This is a date 15/09/2022. We want to add 5 days. So is equal to, this is the date plus 5. You see from 15 it become 20. Easy to add and easy to subtract also. So is equal to, this is the date 15 plus minus 5 we take, click OK, it become 10. You see adding and subtracting date from a date is very easy. Now go to adding and subtracting months and years. How to do it? For that we have a function edate function, is equal to edate, is equal to edate. So 5 months we want to add, start date is this, comma, months is 5, click OK. You see 5 months added automatically. And second is 5 months we want to subtract is equal to, this is the date, is equal to e date, this is the date, comma, minus 5. If you go to number, its data type, it's general, make it short date. You see 4, month is 4, or previously it was 09, month is 9 month, it's now 4th month, April. How to do it when it comes to year? Here also we will use edate functions. We will just convert year to months. Let's say 5 year we want to add, so is equal to edate, this is the date, comma, 5 years, 5 into 12, it is 60 months, so 60 is equal to, you see again the date data format is general, we have to make it short date. You see automatically 5 years is added. So minus 5, when we want to subtract 5 years from the date, how to do it? Is equal to e date, again that is the date format, comma, minus 5 into 12, right? Enter. Again the date format, change short date. Is it 2015? Previously it was 2020, now it is 2015. It's easy. When you want to add months and year, use edate, and when you want to add days, just with addition and subtraction you can do it. These are the basic date functions, and bit more advanced date functions if you want. Then from a date, what is the name of the day? If you want to know, use text functions. Is equal to, use text function, this is the date, what we want is day name, so in bracket write 4 times d and close that bracket, enter. That is a Friday, right? Again just copy that down, it's Monday, Wednesday. What is the month? In same way, write is equal to text, this is the date, and format is month, write m, close that bracket. You see there is a February month, copy that down, it's easy. If you want to know end of that month, how to do it? There is a function called eo date, right? Eo month, actually not eo date, eo month. Start date is this, comma, right? Instead of months write 0 just. You see, because it is February, so end of the month is 28. Let's say if you want to know the first date of next month, it's simple, just with your month just plus 1, you will know first date of next month. Let's say your month, this is the date, comma, 0, now plus 1, next day March 1, you will find it's easy. End of month and first date of next month you will get with eo month functions. Let's say you work in a company, you want to know how many days you work in certain interval, excluding all the holidays and Saturday, Sunday, weekdays also. How many days you are work there, all you want to know. There is a function called network days. So is equal to network days. What it wants is start date. Our start date is 1st January 2021, and second is end date it wants to know. So end date is 31st December 2022. Here you left blanks in place of holidays. In second functions we'll learn about that. So close that bracket, enter. 521 days. This many days you are in between those start date and end date. Let's say you want to include holidays also. You want to exclude all those holidays, not include, exclude all those holidays. How to do it? Is equal to network days, start date is this, or end date is this. Holidays are, let's say these three dates are holidays. Select those range of sale. Now click OK. You see 519 is a network days. I live in India, so weekends are Saturday, Sunday. There may be other countries, their weekends are indifferent. So for that matter, there is another functions, network days internet is equal to network dates dot in. What it takes, first start dates, comma, second end date. When you click comma, see all those combinations of weekends there come get. So let's select Friday and Saturday, comma, and all the holidays. These three are the holidays. Let's say close that bracket, enter. 517 days. These are the number functions and basic date functions you need to know. So keep learning, keep practicing.